Hello sellers! Over the past few years, you have probably seen whole lot of headlines about how home prices keep going up. And if selling has been on your mind, this could mean a bigger than expected payday when you list your home on the market. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Home prices have risen dramatically over the past 5 years. But have you ever stopped to think about what that actually means for your home? Let us break it down. Typically, home prices appreciate about 2 to 5% a year. But in 2021 and 22, post-pandemic, things got wild. The housing market was seeing double-digit increases in home prices, and at the peak, prices rose by a staggering 20% or more nationally. What happened was, there were way more buyers than homes available, and mortgage rates were at an all-time low in the 3% range. This sent prices soaring and a frenzy of buyers in the market, which is a simple case of supply and demand. While things have normalized since then, you still get to reap the benefits of rising home prices. Most likely, your house has gained way more value than it normally would in such a short period of time, and that means more wealth for you. You may be sitting on a large amount of home equity. So, if you have been on the fence about selling, now might be the perfect time to cash in on those gains and take advantage of the market's upswing. Your home might just be worth far more than you think, and now more than ever may be a good time to take advantage of this changing market. If you would like to know more about recent sold comparables in your area and pricing, reach out to my team and I today so we can prepare a complimentary free home valuation on your home. Let us help you strategize your next move. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, helping buyers, sellers and investors with integrity and excellence. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and wishing you a wonderful day.